Aitor, very interesting product here from ONA and Samy Labs, metal 3D printing. Can you just tell us what the technology is, please?
Okay, that's true. There are so many different technologies in metal 3D printing. They differ from each other, from the heat source and the material that you're using to print, the state of the material. In this case, we are using powder and the heat source is a laser. So that's why this is the powder bed laser beam fusion machine. And yeah, it's maybe the most common technology in 3D printing.
Sure. And ONA, they're not known for metal 3D printing, obviously Samy Labs are.
Yeah.
So what was the idea of the collaboration? Why was this product brought to the market?
Yeah, we were seeing in the market that most of the manufacturers of this kind of machines, they are trying to go to the, let's say, high-tech machines. So they are making maybe the process kind of expensive and not affordable for most of the people. So we went in another way and said, okay, we can do that machine. Let's do that machine as simple as possible, so it can be more cheap and more affordable for the common people that they want to start in this technology or get into it.
And if we look at the machine now, obviously we can tell it's a nice touchscreen control. It seems very easy to use, is it?
Yeah, the good thing of this machine, as I told you before, we want to do it as simple as possible. So yeah, it's really intuitive, and you have the basic that you need for do real professional 3D metal parts.
And as it stands today, you have two materials?
Yeah, this is a launch of this project. We did it last year, and we are beginning with this. So in this moment, we are just working with the steels, stainless steel and maraging or tool steel. And in this moment, that's what we offer. But maybe in the future, we will work with another ones too.
And people watching this video, they're going to be interested about the quality of the material. So do you know what porosity the material is likely to be?
The porosity?
Yeah.
Yeah, we are close to the 99.65, really close to high values of porosity and density. Yeah.
So basically, even though this is a cost-effective machine, there's no loss in quality in the end result, the material.
No. That's even if it's a cheap machine or cheaper machine, the quality of the components is also really good. Yeah.
So where do you see the machine fitting in the market? Do you see it for people who've already got expensive machines, or maybe is it for the people who would like, they'd like a metal 3D printer, but maybe it's been too expensive for them previously?
Yeah, that's it. We see the machine that people that they want to get into this technology but they can't afford those expensive machines, maybe universities, to teach new designers that they can develop new products with 3D printing, gaining some complex and difficult things that they were not able to do with the other old manufacturing methods.
And I know there's going to be other products that follow this one in a similar space.
Okay, let's say that now we just launched this product, but maybe with the time we hope to make some different sizes, different lasers products as well.
So if we look at the UK market and the global market really, why is a manufacturer going to invest in this technology ahead of somebody else's?
Yeah, what we were looking for with this project and this machine is that to make something affordable to the people to get into the technology in a really industrial and professional way.